Day 8 began with what Dan calls a bird bath. We then hit the road towards Streaky Bay, South Australia. While I arrived in Streaky Bay, I noticed some of the shops hadn't quite opened yet. So I explored the town, drove around, noticed the tide was quite low at this point in time. Meanwhile, Dan, Vlad and Jana turned off the Flinders Highway at Mortana, just 40 kilometres south of Streaky Bay, to see these incredible rock formations known as Murphy's Haystacks. These large granite boulders are a privately owned tourist attraction. Later that morning, we all caught up in Streaky Bay, where we enjoyed a light breakfast. We took a short drive along some more dirt roads to arrive at Smooth Pool. Swimming here just didn't really seem possible. Heading back, we spotted these sand dunes. Dan soon found out you can't really drive up this particular sand dune. Though these kids had the right idea and came prepared. It was then back to Streaky Bay, where Dan, Vlad and Jana had lunch, while I made the most of the high tide. Another night, another rest area, just a few kilometres south. Day 9, and after the birds had their baths, we did some last minute shopping and then we continued on our journey. It was at this point where Vlad and Jana decided to continue the road trip with us, heading towards Esperance and beyond. We then arrive at Smoky Bay, South Australia, where we enjoy another ocean pool. Ceduna, South Australia, gateway to the Nullarbor. After having lunch and finding a geocache, we fill up and stock up with food and water before heading toward the Nullarbor. So today is day 9. And we've just driven out of Ceduna in South Australia, and we're on the air highway heading towards Esperance, which is 1,388 kilometres away, and we've already travelled 2,377 kilometres, and my next turn on the GPS is at Norseman, which is in 1,195 kilometres. The Penong Windmill Museum is an outdoor museum just off the air highway. It features a unique collection of about 20 donated and restored windmills. And this windmill is Australia's biggest. Nundroo Roadhouse, Air Highway, South Australia, where petrol prices are still reasonable. Esperance, though, is still 1,253 kilometres away. We saw many abandoned crashed cars, this being just one of them. After approximately 2,500 kilometers, we arrive at the eastern end of the Nullarbor, Nullarbor being treeless plain. I must say, where are all the trees? It does look very flat and straight out here. A little windy but nice, as we watched road trains drive past and watched the sun set.